One of the cool things about a new kit configuration, like this one that I used for the album, which won't be exactly the tour one, but that's a whole different thing, is you can get creative. And, it's only one operable hi-hat here, but, well, so it looks, but there's actually 6 hi-hat things to be hit or stepped, which will figure prominently in a couple of the songs that you'll hear after the record comes out. Then I can yap about that a little bit. But one thing I've done, like way pre-Dream Theater, is used a lot of the different areas of the hi-hats. The bell and the side and all that. But they have to be as loud as the rest, like they really are, in order to really get a hold of what's going on. So I could put this, you can hear this from the phone, to really get the sound in the room here. And again, it's slightly different with this kit. That's why I mentioned being creative. As with the bigger kit, those 4 hi-hats, I got 2 operable ones, and there's all kinds of stuff, again, that's all over the place, but you'll be able to really hear and see it right now. So let me demonstrate a few things, using that. Anyway, it's fun. And, just either the bell tone of each of the hi-hats is different. This was a little hard to reach under there, so I didn't bother with it. And plus it sounds kind of like you're hitting the side of a refrigerator. So I stuck to these for that little demonstration. Anyway, thought I would share some cool things and from tour prep land, and take a break because there's a lot to do. So hope you enjoyed that if you're into hi-hats. See ya.